Have you ever wondered how to make a custom button? Well, I'm going to answer that for you today. There's a couple different ways to go about it, both fairly easy to get to. One of the ways is you can be inside a record and you're going to see there's already some existing buttons here. Some of those are actually part of CRM, and so they're automatically there. Others have been added either through customizing, making a new button, or some of them come from extensions. And what I mean by extensions are the available ones that you can either buy or create. Some are free, and when they get installed, they automatically insert their buttons. And so as you can see on here, Google Drive for CRM, it gives you can add to the Google Drive. And here's some other buttons. So typically when you create a button, you are going to start, one of the ways is right here. You can come, see this little drop down, it says create button. Now this would be on the leads field or module. You're going to give it a name, description if you want. This is automatically going to be set on the view place because that's where you came from, the view page. And then here is where you're going to you can go from existing ones. You can look to see if there's any in the gallery that have already been made that you want to associate, or you can write your own. The other way that you could come is if you were to come under settings and you would go under modules and fields. Typically it starts off, it's going to come here. When you pull up modules and fields, you come over here to links and buttons, and you can create a new button. As you can see under our leads module, we have several already. Like I said, some of them are automatically put in by the extension. And typically how you can tell that is if you come over and it does not allow you to edit. And it tells you, it gives a nice little message. Otherwise, if you're able to edit it, that means it's one that you have made or one of your developers possibly have made. So I'm going to take you through now one from inside the deal or inside the record. And in this case, it's contacts. And so I want to create a button. And I'm going to name it copy attachments because that's what we're going to do. So copy attachments from the contact record to the account record. I want it on the view page. Here's a cool thing here. I can put it, here's the various options: create clone page, edit page, view. The list views are typically like in the utility, that is where you're going to see all the records. Each record individually. These basically are allowing for your mass actions, like I said here. Most of them we do are on the view page. Some are on the edit page. The issue with create clone page a lot of times is you have to hit save of entering the information in first, then hit save, then you can hit your button for it to work, because it needs to grab stuff that's recognized by the system. The exception is with the CRM toolkit for address lookup. It works a little differently, but that's how it was built. But typically the ones that you're going to make, I would say use edit or view page. The neat thing is too, if you don't know where it's at, click the little view place over here and it's going to show you exactly where on the page it's going to show. Typically, and I can show you back here, most buttons are pretty much going to be up here for creation. Some modules will have a button here that is built in by CRM. Unfortunately, you can't change those or add to those. It would be nice, but right now they don't. Also, there are various applications in Zoho that don't allow the custom button to be built. Zoho Desk is a prime example of that. Hopefully at some point they will get that functionality built in, but currently it is not. Typically, if you want to find out where you can do buttons or not, go look at the documentation for each application and do a search for buttons, and it will usually come up and be able to tell you what you want or not. So back to making ours, we are going to write a function. I'm going to call it copy attachments. Now, as you see, when you create a new custom function for a button, it's automatically going to start you out with this return statement. What the return statement is to show that the function is done running. And you're going to see, I'm going to just go ahead and copy over it because I have copied a existing code already. I need to change this because I saw as I was looking at various connections. And here, let me go. I can show you where I got this from. I made the connection with Zoho Auth. And so the name, the connection name is Zoho Auth. And that will be right here for my connection. And so in the return statement, you can put, and this is a typical practice, is to put a successful message to show that it worked. And so I can save that. Oh, that was a good reminder. I forgot to put in argument. And in this case, it's the contacts, and I needed the contact ID. And there, and now save. Okay, so you're wondering, where's your new button at? I thought you just built it. Well, I did, but it's on contacts. Also, here's the thing. You may have to refresh. And right now, copy paste is the one that is showing. And you see all these here, and copy attachments was the one we built. So if I want that one to display all the time, I can drag and drop it. And now that is the one that shows. Okay. And my example here, we have two attachments. Okay. I hit this, and what I'm wanting to do is copy these from the contacts to account. So here is the actual account. You can see currently there are 0 attachments associated with it. I hit the button and you can see it's running, and look, copied attachment successful. I can double check that by coming over here. I'll need to refresh. And as you can see, there are now the 2 attachments here. And that is how you make a custom button. quick, simple, and easy. If you have any questions, you can contact us on our website, zcrmhelp.com, or you can like our YouTube page and get more videos like this. If you want to learn more about custom functions, you can check out my video covering how to make custom functions. And for all your needs, give us a call. Don't be afraid to play and try it. And good luck. Have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and leave us a comment. You can also subscribe to our channel and click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified of new videos. If you want to learn more about Zoho or would like help with anything Zoho related, head on over to our website at zcrmhelp.com to connect with us. Thanks for watching.